how to find liked pages and unlike unnecessary pages on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to find all the pages you have liked on Facebook and quickly clean up your list by unliking the pages that no longer catch your interest. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top left corner. Then tap on Edit Profile, scroll down to the end, tap Edit your About Info. Now scroll down to the end. Here you will find a section named as Likes. Tap See All. From here you can see all the pages you have liked on Facebook. Currently I have liked only 2 pages, so the list is short for me. It may vary depending on the number of pages you have liked. Now let's learn how to unlike a page from here. To do that, tap on the page you wish to unlike, then selected Facebook page profile will open up. You will see a button named as Liked. Single tap on it, a menu will appear. Select Unlike. Now come back to the list, then refresh the page. As you can see, that page has been unliked and removed from this section. Similarly, you can browse your list and decide which pages to keep liking and which to unlike from here. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to see all the liked pages and unlike unnecessary ones on Facebook. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.